In Denmark, we practice Protestant Christianity. That's also the religion most of our population have in this country. These are pictures of the Copenhagen Judgment Church, or the Church of Our Lady, Virgin Mary. We are very proud of it, and during the bombardment of Copenhagen, this church was the British guns' main target. Christianity and some of the Indian religions have at least one thing in common: reincarnation, since Jesus was God's soul in human form on earth. It has become popular to put pieces of art in and near Danish churches such as this.
For what is it to be, and to want to be, the one? It is to have and want to have a conscience. Here you see the evangelist bishops being consecrated in Vor Frue Church in Copenhagen on the 2nd of September 1537.
That's an organ.